American company Apple will release iPhone SE 2 in early 2020, a well-known analyst, Min-Chi Ko, said MacRummers on October 13. Given that his predictions came true in most cases, you can rely on him. The smartphone will be released in the iPhone 8 with a stuffing close to the iPhone 11, A13 processor, 3 GB of RAM and 64/128 GB of storage. The phone will not have 3D touch support. The new iPhone SE will receive 3 colors, black, white and red. However, the company found ways to reduce the cost of production, so that the price tag will not be so sky-high that it will make it as popular as possible. Phone sales will begin in the first half of 2020. In the minimum version, it will cost $400, which is $50 less than the current price of the iPhone 8. The first iPhone SE was released in 2015, its production ceased after the announcement of the XS. However, most fans have good memories of this smartphone.